2 packs of 2 Parodontax Complete Protection Oral Care Soft Toothbrush for healthy gums and strong teeth. Adult Soft Toothbrush Pack with 2 adult compact toothbrushes that offers 8 specially designed benefits for superior teeth cleaning and gum health. Works as an interdental brush that helps remove plaque and cleans along the gum line. Compact toothbrush designed to reach hard to clean areas for a superior cleaning that helps restore the natural color of your teeth. Ergonomic toothbrush with soft bristles that is easy to hold and gentle on your teeth and gums. Each Parodontax Complete Protection Soft Toothbrush offers 8 specially designed benefits to keep your teeth and gums healthy, clean and strong. This soft bristle toothbrush delivers effective dental plaque removal, cleaning along the gum line and the interdental spaces to help restore the natural color of your teeth, while also acting as a tongue cleaner. With an ergonomic handle, this compact head toothbrush helps you reach hard to clean areas, providing a complete oral care solution that is easy to hold and gentle on gums and tooth enamel. This convenient Parodontax toothbrush pack comes with 2 soft toothbrushes for adults that allows you to replace one after 3 months of use. Brush your teeth with this manual toothbrush for 2 minutes twice daily for healthy gums and strong teeth. Top reviews from the United States. Best toothbrush I've ever used in 51 years. If you're considering, I would have no hesitation in ordering this brush. I have sent them as gifts to friends. No question, this is the best brush I've ever used. Used along with the toothpaste and mouthwash, and it has helped me to heal all of my gum issues quickly.